Hi, I'm Jordana Borensztajn. Today I am trying to make my own green screen at home. When you're on Zoom, if you want to have a picture in the background without it fading in and out, you need a green screen. I went online and I looked and it's like 5-week wait, 6-week wait, and I'm like, I don't want to wait. So I have 9 pieces of green cardboard and I have 2 packing boxes which I plan to put on the back for support. And I have some tape. However, the only tape that I could find, it says fragile. Can you see? Fragile. So it's actually a really good reminder because when I am carrying this around my apartment, it will be very fragile because it's only made of cardboard. So it's actually the perfect tape. So thank you to my friend Adam who sent me a YouTube video saying how to create your own green screen using cardboard. Whoa, okay. In amazing news, I have created a green screen. Woo! Wait, can you see the whole thing? Green screen! Here are 3 things that I learned. First, that was a huge workout. I'm sweating. So if you're worried about not going to gym or you're looking for any extra exercise, go and build your own green screen made out of cardboard. Number 2, when you're cutting the actual harder cardboard to put on the back, remember which boxes you've actually cut because of the scissors, they're misaligned, and then when you try to stick them down together, you have to actually match them up, so that would save you heaps of time. And number 3 is don't move it too quickly because it can very easily fall apart. Genuinely still puffed out from the cardboard cutout workout, but now's the fun part. Now I get to see if it actually works. So here's what Zoom looked like before when I tried to have my own picture with no green screen. Here's what happens when I'm in San Francisco. Apparently, I am having a terrible hair day. It's when I choose the outer space backdrop. It's just not clear and it actually looks very outer spacey. So this is actually spot on. Do you have motion sickness yet? So this is absolutely not my hair. You can't see any definition of my true curls. This is a disaster. See how it pops in and out and it just kind of, you can see a bit of me and a bit of the background. Okay, it's just taking me 20 minutes to get the green screen, which is actually not a green screen, the green cardboard on the desk. Okay, I am back in San Francisco, still having a bad hair day, and now you can just see green behind me. So I don't know what I did wrong. No, it's actually not better either. Okay, now I just have green hair and red hair. Woo, this is going well. Not a great hair day. Hasn't made one difference except I did do an amazing workout. I know what I did wrong. You have to say if you've got a green screen. Let's try this. That's better. However, it's clearly not big enough or not close enough to the camera. Not big enough. As you can see plants, you can see books, you can see stuff on the shelf, anyway. So, lesson number 4 is if you're gonna create a green screen, make it really big, or if you have a laptop, that means you can move it closer. So my next mission is to make this a little bit bigger. That said, I am pretty proud of my, for the moment, stable green screen. I have ditched the fragile tape and I instead got one of these contraptions, which I have already gotten twisted, so wish me luck with that. I got this, which is like sticky stuff to put on the back of the green, because apparently a green screen needs to be really, really flat and the lines can actually show up. So this is to keep the paper flat together, masking tape for extra support, and something else that I can't quite find. Yes, it fits! Here is the final product. 4 pieces of cardboard by 4 pieces of cardboard, wide and high. Look at that piece of art! After 2 days, I finally made a green screen that works! Even if I move my hands. Oh, I shouldn't go like that. But it works! Woo! I should still stay still. I think I can, okay, I can't open my hands, but I can move and shake, except I lose my hair. But anyway, minor issues. Keep my hands closed the whole time. Oh. Yeah, I'll work it out. So here's my green screen without any studio lighting. My desk is behind there, so it's completely covering that wall of the room. All of my favorite books are on that bookshelf. Can't see any of them except for maybe the edge of that one, so I can't access them. And that cupboard back there actually has some important stuff in it, but for the moment I am not going to be reading these books, sitting at this desk, or opening that cupboard because I do not want to risk moving or disturbing my green screen that took me 48 hours to prepare. Amazingly, even though it wasn't completely flat, as you can see from my arts and crafts work, oh, a little bit of sticky tape left in there. It didn't actually matter when I used the green screen feature, so nailed it. There is definitely a smell in here. It's a fragrance that's somewhere between masking tape, sticky tape, and coloured cardboard. So that part of it is not very appealing. It actually fits. I can have my whole green screen and I can have any image I want. Now it is absolutely massive because it's the right size. So I'm not going to move it. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to use that room for anything else other than it. So at the moment it has completely taken over that study area, but I'm cool with that. So my journey personally took 2 days and about the equivalent of 17,000 gym sessions, but I did it, which means you can do it too. If anyone needs any fragile tape, I officially now have this up for grabs. So yay to creating my own DIY green screen. Success, I did it. Special thanks to YouTube user iLuvTrading for the original video showing how to create a green screen from cardboard.